How to post a video private on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to post a video private on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on post, tap on upload, and choose one video. How to speed up a video. Hi guys, in this now tap on next. And you see that first option, which is who can watch this video. Tap on there. Then you can choose who can watch this video, everyone or just your friends or only you. I'm gonna choose only me and I'm gonna post. Now the video is posted. This is it. This is how you post a video private on TikTok. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.